Hey beauties, welcome back to another product review day with Creative Contour by Carla. Today I am trying out these beautiful sunflower style eyelashes from my friends at Marlyn'S Vanity. So let's get into it. Okay, so I did try these on a couple of days ago as I wanted to wear them and see what it was like. And you may have seen it in my Instagram stories, but we're gonna put them back on. Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit of glue first. Okay, so here is the result. These are so beautiful. And one thing I really like is, as someone who loves big lashes, these have a thick band, but they're not a heavy band. They're very comfortable to wear. These are so gorgeous. I will be wearing these again, definitely. Oh my God, these are so pretty. If you want to see more of the beautiful products from my friends at Marlyn'S Vanity, head on over to their Instagram page and use code CARLA for 20% off. See you soon.